Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. And if you're new to the channel, I'm pleased to have you here. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through on how to create your own Gmail ID. ID you can use to access Google Play Store, Google Drive, Google Meet, Google Map, and even create your YouTube channel. So let's go down to the business. But before we do so, a thumbs to the channel will help the video to reach wider audience. And a sub to the channel will encourage me to do more videos like this. Thank you as you do so. So what you're going to do is to head to your settings, click on it. You come down to where you see password and accounts. In some cases, you can just see accounts, you click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down to add accounts. Then you search for Google. Here, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will load. You allow it to load. So here we are. You come down here and click on create account. Over here we have options for personal use and business use. If you are creating for yourself, you go for personal use, and if it happens that you're creating for business or for company, then you can go for business use. So in this case, we'll be going for personal use. So here we have first name and last name. You can come here and type your first name and your last name, no problem. And you can type your first name here and then type your last name down here. So what we are going to do is type my name. I'm going to type my name here, Nick Michael. There we go. So here we are going to select our date of birth. So I'm selecting my date of birth here. Gender, I'm a guy, so I'm selecting me. So over here you are going to type how you want your Gmail address to appear. So here I'm going to type Dominic Michael. The reason why I'm adding number to it is because this Dominic Michael might be taken. So let me remove the number and then show you why. You can see that username is taken. Try another one. So let's add the 9 and check again. Even that one has been taken. So maybe we check another number. Or let me just see here. Okay, they gave a suggestion here, so we'll be going with Dominic Michael 601. So here we are going to create a password to access our Gmail. So now I've created mine. So what you're going to do now is click on next. I don't need to save. Okay, you can save if you want. That is, if it happens that you have another Google ID, then you can save to that one. So here is my Google address. So my new Google address. Then from here, you wait for it to load, and boom, here we are. That's how you're going to create your Google ID, your Google address. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's really going to help me to create more videos like this. Thank you.